Opening the Grid Connect app lands you on the home screen.
This is the dashboard offering you quick access to various sections of the app.
When you initially set up your Grid Connect app, you will create a login and you will set up your location.
To access your locations, select the green bar at the top of the home screen. From here, you can move between locations, edit the settings of your existing locations, or create a new location.
Let's assume you've set up your home. Now let's add another location. It could be your office, or it could be your holiday home.
First, you will name the new location. Secondly, you will set the actual physical location.
This will help Grid Connect with sunrise, sunset, and local weather data. You don't need to enter a specific address, just enter the suburb.
Select the rooms you have at that location and you're done. You can also access location details by pressing the list icon at the top left of the home screen. Then select Location and Room Setup.
It's important to remember that you can't have products in different locations interacting together via scenes and automation. They need to be in the same location in your Grid Connect app.